For starters, it is not Crossmolina. It's Crossmolina, like South Carolina. I think I said it wrong for several months before I was corrected, so. Anyways, welcome to Crossmolina. Personally, I'm a big fan of the overall layout of this community. There are a lot of cul-de-sacs and the area feels very quaint. All right guys, from a macro perspective, Crossmolina is gonna offer essentially two different products of homes. Single family homes, and then they're doing paired villas, which are similar to Avalonia and Lauren Cove. Now the paired villas is something new that they've done in a single family community, and they have now opened those homes up to investors. So an investor can come in and purchase one of the paired villas for investment purposes only, meaning they can turn it into a rental, where that has not existed in other Viera builder communities except this one. All right, so let's talk about the single family homes. There is going to be two separate collections. You have a Mia collection and an Ellis collection. The difference between the two collections, not only going to be the floor plans, but it'll be the size of the lots. The Mia, 50-foot lots, 50-foot wide lots, right? And then Ellis, 60-foot wide lots. So the Mia collection is gonna offer 4 different floor plans ranging in size from 1,960 square feet upwards to around 2,500 square feet. One of those floor plans is a 2-story option, which is gonna be the largest footprint that you can purchase in that collection. And it's going to pick up a second floor, which is gonna offer a bonus space and a full bedroom. A little pro tip, if you see a 2 on the end of the floor plan, it means it's 2-story, just for your own reference. And the other thing with the Mia collection is all of the floor plans have 2-car garages. So if you want a 3-car garage, the Mia is not the choice for you, and that's where we talk about the second collection, which is gonna be the Ellis collection. There's a total of 5 different floor plan options, and 2 of them are gonna bring in that second floor add-on that you can want. That's specifically going to be the Easton 2 and then the Ella 2. Now, all of these homes, as I mentioned earlier, have a 3-car garage, and sizing of them are gonna range anywhere from 2,300 square feet up to the largest footprint that you will find in Crossmolina at 3,108 square feet. Pricing for the community is gonna start in the low 500s. That's gonna get you the Morgan floor plan, the smallest one in here, almost 2,000 square feet. And some of the base options, the most expensive you'll find at the base, is scratching the surface of $700,000. Now, add-on upgrades, if you wanna add a pool, all these other things, you're obviously going to exceed that price, but from a general aspect, I think most people in here will be spending somewhere around $650,000 to $700,000. All right, so now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, HOA. As a generic number, you're looking at $2,400 a year for the HOA, and that does incorporate a couple fees, but it's just think about packaged into one. There is a $1,000 CDD, and that is somewhat new to some of the Viera communities. We're talking Farallon Fields, Crossmolina, Laurasia, they are all now CDD communities. If you have more questions about those or want a breakdown of that, send me an email to Shane at the Bergman Group, and I will send you the document that Viera Builders has put together to outline all of the costs that you're paying that come up to that $2,400 a year. Now, what are you gonna get for that? That's a great question. So, tons of green area with benches. There is a pool. There is a fishing pier at the lake right here in the center of the community. There's a covered mail kiosk, so there's no mailboxes at the properties. Everyone does have a shared kiosk, as well as a playground. And that is Crossmolina in a nutshell. If you have questions about this community, whether it's just general questions or you want to pursue building in here, send me an email to shane@thebergmangroup.com.